Hi everyone! For Merdeka, I created a template called Draw Things That Are So Malaysian to You, and surprisingly many people joined the fun and expressed their creativity. It made me realize how art unites people. I love to go out for a walk and look for inspiration because even the simplest thing catch my eyes. I used to draw on paper and take photos of my drawing with real-life objects, but now things are so much easier with the new Samsung Note20 Ultra 5G. With U-Mobile Unlimited Hero, not only did I enjoy big savings up to RM1880, now I get to edit and share my doodles and artwork online in a breeze with unlimited high-speed data. Let me show you guys how easy it is. The S Pen is a handy remote controller that helps me take selfies easily. With the Pen Up app, I can doodle on a blank canvas and upload photos that I took and start doodling immediately. So here, I'll be doing the AR doodle, which looks really cool. For whoever who is still scared to draw, I'm going to teach you some fun technique to get you started. In conjunction with Merdeka Day and Malaysia Day, I will draw something related to Malaysia, and since we all love food so much, I'm going to draw our favorite Malaysian food on the photo of Malaysia iconic buildings. So first of all, I will pick which photos I want to draw, and then I will adjust the opacity lesser than 100, around 50%, and then we can sketch what kind of things we want to draw. So each drawings I will draw on a different layer so that whenever I make mistake, it's easy for me to erase them without catch out the original photos. For brush, normally I will use the inking pen and then the paintbrush. So the inking pen I use for drawing the lines, and then the paintbrush for shadows. I want to color the nasi lemak, and so here you can see we have so many options on the color, so I don't have to bring so many markers whenever I go. So this one, like, it's very easy. It has like various of colors, brush, and then you can adjust the stroke as well, the size you're comfortable with, not too thin. So once it's done, you can go back to the original photo and then change the opacity back to 100% and see your end result. So let's spark your creativity and get inspired with unlimited high-speed data, calls, and 50 GB mobile hotspot. I believe there is no rule for doodling, so you can create your own style. Explore and be as creative as you want, and never give up on your art. Let's use our unlimited imagination and make photos more fun. Stay tuned for more MadeByU stories.